Handel is built in a very swampy area. There wouldn't be that many trees close to the city, and it would generally be quite big with mostly traders living there.
Well, I can say for sure, when you come from the original meaning of the word Handel, in Danish that would be Hadebu. And Hadebu is like an area where you have rather swampy or this purple blossoming flower. I'm not sure how that's called in English, but there's a special flower that gives it the name. And so this area around here would be lacking every tree. The area would be rather, yes, poor, many rocks, swampy. And of course you would see all around a huge palisade on the wall, ring wall outside for protection purposes. And of course the inside of the ring wall is completely different. I mean, there would be houses everywhere, basically.
A woodworker has a lot of jobs he needs to do in the village. He needs to build the different houses and create kitchen appliances. There are a lot of different jobs such as boat builders, bow makers, woodworkers, and a lot of other specified jobs.
A woodworker would make a lot of things. I mean, most of the things are made from wood. The houses are made from wood. There's something special about the houses here in Handel. If you look around, all these houses look different from the way they are built. There's some block build style, and there's some like palisade style, and there's some clay walls. So in Handel, as a very rich trading place, you would have different building capacities and people that build things. It's different from a small village where you would have probably all the same style because they look at the other house and say, ah, yeah, that's probably a good way to build a house. And they ask him, how did you do that? And here many very skilled people are living or used to live.
Ships were important for the Vikings. They were used to get quickly from one place to another in a short amount of time. That was especially easy since Scandinavia had a lot of waterways and was separated from the rest of the world by the sea. Ships that landed at the harbor had to pay taxes. Additionally, the trading towns were huge money-making machines. Traders came all the way from Arabia, Byzantine Empire, Constantinople, Western Europe, Russia, etc.
Hedeby, hvor kommer du?
Jeg kommer fra Danmark.
Jeg kommer fra Hedeby.
They were surprisingly good traders and salesmen. Actually, Handel was one of the two most important trading towns in the Viking trading system at the time. It was located strategically well and easy to reach.
The main currency from what we knew was the hack silver. So it's not silver coins in the general term, but it's the weight of the silver that was the currency. So if you travel more east, about 1,000 miles or something like that, you find people that made perfect, beautiful coins. You've got whole landscapes and pictures on a small piece of silver. And that's a piece of art. And from today, we are used to having the worth of our currency printed on the coin. While in Handel or in many areas in the Scandinavian parts, you would take that silver, weight it, and hack off as much as you need. In a place like this, you would buy clothes mostly. I mean, as I said, it's a very rich place with very rich traders, and they wear very, very precious clothes. You have gold woven into it, and you have silver jewelry wearing, and of course amber, and a lot of precious things. And I guess there's in Handel probably not one famous tailor for very famous things. I mean, chances are there were tailors left here, but it's most likely that they actually bought their clothes here from traders that came from far away.
Oh wow, what is this? Oh, it's part of the UNESCO World Heritage.
Oh wait, it's right over there. Come on, guys.
Oh.
this people of that time established something that needs a lot of peace and understanding about peace and social management. Because when I traveled through all these different countries and I trade peacefully with all of them, this is something really impressive. At that time where you would have so many small wars and so many fights and no strong international law societies that are standing going like, oh, you can't just attack there. And seeing that, we realized, or I definitely realized, that these people knew a lot about how to make peace and how to live peaceful, despite the Viking fighting stories. And yeah, that's basically my opinion on the World Heritage, that it's a cool idea to save this, and it's a good way to start to spread more peace.